Hello, and this is a question 2, and the following is MySorting.java. And in this program, we separate two methods, main method and the display sorted number method. And we are talking about the idea of this program. The program will, first of all, the program will ask the user to input three different numbers. Then the program will find the smaller number of the smaller value of the three number. Then decide which of the other two is the next smaller. And finally, the program will display the three number in increasing order. Let's start to talking about the main method. The main method is ask the user to input three different number. After that, the display sort number method will run and sort out the three number from the user input. Then the program will display the three number in increasing order. The display sort the number method is sort by if-else statement and if statement. That means we have two if statement. The first if-else statement is check the num2 is the smaller number or not. If yes, the position will exchange between num1 and num2. If not, the program will go to else if condition. And for the idea, for my ideas, we want to put the smallest number in the num1. So that's why for the first of if statement, if the num2 is the smaller number, we need to pull the num2 to the num1 and num1 back to go to the num2. So keep continue. If the num2 is not a smallest number, we go to the else if statement to check the num3 is the smaller number or not. If yes, the position will exchange between num1 and num3. Again, we need to put the smallest number in the num1. If not, we can know that the num1 is the smallest number. Then when finished the if-else statement, we go to the second if statement. According to if-else statement, we know that the num1 is the smallest number. Therefore, this if statement is just compare num2 and num3 and see that which one is the second small and the first small number. According to my program, for the second if statement, if the num2 is greater than num3, then the position will exchange between num2 and num3 because the num2 position is the second smaller, and the num3 position is a large number. If the num2 is not greater than the num3, and then they will stay the position for num2 and num3. Finally, the program will display three numbers in increasing order. The num1 is the smallest number, the num2 is second smaller, and the num3 is a large number. Okay, let's see the example. We run this program and enter the three number. Let's say first number is 89, and then the second number is 43, and the third number is 57, and enter. And you could see the display three number in increasing order will go to the 43 as a first number, 57 on the second, and 89 is a third number. Okay, and for this program, we can input the decimal number because we use the declaration to use the double. So let's see, we input the decimal number such as 30.5, 34.5, and 40.85, and 20.7. And you could see that. And the display fee number in increasing order is 20.7, 30.5, and 40.85. Okay. And let's see the last example. We mix the integer number and the decimal number and see what happens. And let's say the first number is 5.62, and the second one is 5.12, and the third one is 9.9. And then you could see that the display fee number in increasing order is 5.12, 5.62, and 9. Okay.